This what happen when I think about you. I think about them bitches, yeah. How you was conditional. How you told them lies, convincing me it wasn't intentional. Hitting up my lies just like you mine, but look, you got a girl. You the reason I can never trust a nigga. Why I'm scared to get misled and even fuck a nigga. Why I don't show the world who mine, cause there's some double niggas. The ones that front just like they mine, but got a ton of bitches. Listen, nigga, you the reason why I'm insecure. The reason I just like these bitches and will make up more. The reason I get isolated and can't show him more. Cause I'm afraid to give away more than I bargained for. For rich or poor, how the fuck you leave a bitch that stayed down? The way you kicking shit, I'm thinking niggas never stay around. So now I'm kicking shit like fuck a nigga counter blow a pound. Cause that pussy nigga never needed shit when I'm around. Pay for everything, food when you was hungry. Your dues cause you low on money. Even did your online classes so your credits won't look funny. Quick to acting, niggas trade up on the girl just for a hoe to play happy. To the staying with that girl, the one who always make it happy. Your daddy ain't show love and you ain't learn shit from your mammy. See, I'm grinding for my mama, trying to get it from my granny. And I'm screaming, fuck a nigga. I was raised without a daddy, so I don't ever love a nigga if I'm not internally happy.